Pros and cons. Pros: easy to clean. Innovative precision design, simple to operate. Cons: paint free flow. Number 8. Paasche Airbrush VL Set Airbrush. The Paasche Airbrush VL Set Airbrush is definitely in demand for professionals' operation for painting t-shirts. It incorporates chrome-plated construction for durability concern. For a more defined application, VL use 3 integrated spray head with the airbrush. A fine line is achieved with the help of double-action VL. The apt packaging with VL can handle solvent or water paint. Pros and cons. Pros: line adjustment, screw fine detail spraying with a removable needle protector. Cons: none. Number 7. Belloccio Mini Airbrush. Cosmetic modernizer Belloccio has crafted a deluxe full-body sunless personal care airbrush with the self-tanning system. This airbrush offers healthy tanning substitute of the ultraviolet waves/rays, the bad skin damaging element that someone receives from basking or utilizing tanning bed. The Belloccio's specialized home-based airbrush tanning unit has ease of use. The unit is compact, extremely quiet, portable and lightweight. Pros and cons. Pros: appropriate for temporary tattoos, cosmetics, and sunless tanning, 1-year warranty. Cons: not that quiet. Number 6. Temptu Deluxe Pro Plus Airbrush Kit. Temptu has created award-winning and modernized airbrush makeup. It offers formulas that would gear the artistry and passion of experts and their clients. At Temptu, power things occur where the technology of beauty is required. With Temptu Deluxe Pro Plus Kit, you can quickly tackle any project, be it models or wedding makeup. The kit is suitable for anybody seeking to find tattoo coverage, flawless looks, traveling makeup artists and more. It emits 30 psi max pressure for custom blended makeup. Pros and cons. Pros: covers wider surface area. Custom blendable shades. 2-year warranty. Cons: none. Number 5. Watercolor Airbrush Set from Iwata-Medea. Have you ever had a cherished aspiration about watercolor using airbrushed flair? But with airbrush watercolor artworks you can beautify your festival to the fullest. In the wait, you can undertake watercolor and airbrushing painting using Watercolor Airbrush Set from Iwata-Medea. The packet features in 3 water brushes, 8 ounces cleaner and 6 professional watercolor tubes, 8 watercolor paper sheet, and 3 set textured clay board. Once you secure yourself airbrushing attractive works of consenting graphic arts, you won't wish to cease. Pros and cons. Pros: instructional article, watercolor paper and brushes, quiet operating. Cons: none. Number 4. Master Airbrush Pro Multi-Purpose Airbrushes. This is a multi-purpose artistic appliance which incorporates 0.3mm nozzle and needle, and potent 1/6-horse single-piston mechanism. It provides 23 liters per minute airflow and 0.8 cfm air volume. It is lightweight, portable and compacted compressor that has an inbuilt carrying handle. The unit is powerful enough to function continuously without overheating due to its technological advancement that pertains in built cooling and single-piston compressor with longer duty cycle. Pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly airbrushes. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Cons: not that durable. Number 3. Eclipse HPBCS Airbrush by Iwata-Medea. Iwata-Medea airbrush features in 2 ounces/60 milliliters bottle, making it a better option for large-scale painting. This siphon feed airbrush is so great because you can buy extra bottles and do refilling with the color of your choice. This enables you to accomplish rapid color changes. Iwata Eclipse series incorporated compression fit nozzle can be easily assembled and cleaned. Pros and cons. Pros: awesome quality. Very impressive airbrush. Easy to clean. Cons: no suction. Number 2. Paasche DGX3 Vision Airbrush. The Vision set has 0.66, 0.25, and 0.2 mm heads. It features the most beautiful details functionality with atomizing control that lacks an adjustable pressure compressor. Having talon line, it can highlight the same heads which use TS or TG airbrushes with fan air cap. The unit incorporates black chrome plating, scope trigger, 2 mm head, air atomization control and hand-hardened yet polished stainless steel needle. The most remarkable features 2075 psi air supply and 20 psi per 5 CFM air. Pros and Number 1. Paasche 626213H Sprayer Airbrush. Perhaps the most inclusive, the 6213 Sprayer Airbrush incorporates siphon feed airbrush sprayer single action and internal mix. It can solvent-based fluids or even water with 1-2 inches splay pattern range. The essentials in the kit include HL 3/16-10 air hose, 3 ounces bottle. It includes HL 3/16-10 air hose. 6213H includes 6213 sprayer with a 3 ounces bottle and HL 3/16-10 air hose. The most impressive features 2075 psi air supply and 20 psi per 6 CFM air. Pros and cons. Pros: suitable for thicker fluid, easy to use,
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.